Hey guys, what's doing? Welcome to our channel.
My name is Izzy.
No, your name is Jolie, for real.
And
What's your for real name? Jolie. And what's your for real name?
Andy.
Andy. And I'm Dini. And today we are gonna make just some chocolate covered treats.
Bananas and strawberries.
Yeah, we're gonna kind of make like little spooky treats. Halloween is actually Jolie's birthday, which is super fun.
Yeah, it's my birthday already.
Yeah, our birthday's coming up really soon. So we're
It's
gonna
in
make
October 1st.
a fun little treat and we're gonna show you guys how we make it. Let's do it. So basically, we love dipping everything into chocolate, don't we? It's like the greatest treat for kids because it's fruit, but it's super festive and they have a really good time making it. Plus, they love eating them, okay? And it makes a great treat anytime. So we have some bananas that we just peeled. We have some dark chocolate. We have some vanilla, like white chocolate, which is so good. Little white sprinkles here. And some little eyeballs. And the eyeballs just make things OTT. Over the... Okay, Andy's already getting started. Yes, here we go. So let's get you some of these. Here, look what you do. You dunk, you swirl, bloop. Let it drip a little. And what's kind of cute is to let it drip on the, kind of leave like a little tail, so it's kind of like a little ghosty look, right? And then, what are we gonna put on him? Oh, I could have done more chocolate chips. Also, you gotta be careful with these eyeballs because if you get the little black pupil wet, it kind of runs. Yummy. What's the matter? It's still gonna be so delicious. Stick it on here. Good job, Ans. Want some eyeballs? Want some of these guys?
I want some sprinkles.
Okay, here. And then these are kind of cute. I kind of figured these can also sort of be like little like mummies or whatever you're into. Honestly, just let the kids kind of play around. So you can sort of do something like this, go like back and forth. Is this fun, guys?
Look, I did the eyeball.
They love to get messy in the kitchen. Good, perfect. Oh, how fun. Should we do some vanilla also?
I put some eyeballs.
Eyeballs, yeah. No, oh, that's actually very spooky looking. I like that, Andy.
Spooky.
It's spooky. That's funny. And I use these eyeballs to like decorate vegetables. I use them in their school lunches. They're like the Wilton brand. They're a few bucks. And the kids love them.
Yeah,
these look super spooky. How fun is that? So basically you're gonna put these in the fridge afterwards and they're gonna set up and harden.
These in the middle.
More eyeballs. These are really, that's such a good idea. I love that. Super good. These are yummy. And then also if you wanted to make more of like a mummy looking, like this is more like a ghost, I guess. Sure. But if you wanted to make more of like a mummy, what you could do is put them like that. And then
I put in my eyeballs.
kind
My
of
eyeballs
do
fell.
a little bit of like this back and forth, which sort of makes it look like he's like wrapped up. Okay guys, this is really fun. So we're gonna keep working on these. We're gonna pop them in the fridge for about 15 minutes or so for them to harden. And then we're gonna eat them. Okay? Sound good? All right, let's pop them in the fridge. They're so fun. Okay, so let's put all of our favorite ones on here. You ready?
Yeah.
Look how spooky these guys are. Let's put all the spookiest next to each other. Spooky. Hold on, wait, all the bananas put next to each other. All the strawberries. Let's put over here. These are so fun and so cool. Who had the best time making these? As they harden even more.
Oh my God, I'm gonna put it right there.
There's gonna be that crunch from the chocolate, which we love, right? And then you can even freeze them. Do we like having these frozen?
Yeah.
We do. Okay. Let's put this guy. He's super spooks. He's a spookster.
Mommy.
Who else is super spooky? Which one do you want? Which one do you want?
Finger.
Finger licks. All right, guys. Let's go eat these, okay? All right, what do you say to everyone? Woo! Say happy Halloween. I hope you guys love this. You can make this with any fruit you like. Anything in chocolate.
You
Be
could
sure to-
make spooky
Girls,
too.
tell them.
Bye. Bye.
Say be sure to like, comment, and
Subscribe.
subscribe to our channel. channel. Bye, everyone. Thanks for watching. Hey, where's your smile? I want both of you girls to show me your spookiest faces. Oh. Now show me your scared face.
You're a goat dripping
Oh my
wax. Bye, Dini, like a monster.
Say bye, happy Halloween.
Bye, happy Halloween.